In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Lebara SIM card in the UK with a fast and easy guide. Getting your SIM active is the first step to staying connected, so let's get started. First, insert your Lebara SIM card into your unlocked phone. Turn on your phone and wait for it to detect the new SIM. You might see messages like "No service" or "Insert SIM." Don't worry, this is normal. Next, open your phone's web browser and go to lebara.co.uk/activate. Enter your SIM number, found on the SIM card or packaging, and your phone number if required. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Alternatively, you can activate your SIM by calling 235 from your Lebara phone or texting START to 2525. Once activated, restart your phone and check for network signal. You should now be able to make calls, send texts, and use data. If you run into any issues, contact Lebara customer service or visit their website for support. That's it. Now your Lebara SIM card is active and ready to use in the UK. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy mobile tutorials.